Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Champion Academy. Here is one of the most. We will practice more questions. I hope the screen is visible now. Okay, now screen is clearly it is. Okay, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Now screen is clearly visible. Thank you. Here, this question I am going to explain again one more time. Once look at like if it is clearly visible. Screen orientation. Now look at, we have to find first problem is find the HCF. HCF between 900 and 270. Okay. Here Euclid algorithm we have to use. What is the Euclid algorithm? Euclid algorithm says that A is equal to BQ plus R, and the condition is R should be less than or equal to 0, less than B. Okay, R should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than B. It is a condition. Okay, so here when we are writing, we have to take A is equal to 900. A ని మనం 900 గా తీసుకోవాలి, అండ్ B is equal to, we have to take 270. B 270 తీసుకోవాలి, అండ్ ఈ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. We have to write. Okay, in this form. Now look at here, when we are writing here 900 is equal to 270 into how much you are getting, 3 plus this 90. 270 into 3, if you do, we are getting 3 into 0 0, 3 7 the 21, 2 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 8. So 810 we are getting. 900 minus 810 means we are lefting, remainder is 90. Okay, now look at here, 900 is equal to, again this one again we have to write here 270, again we have to write 270 is equal to this 90, you have right here 90 into 3, 93 is 270, and our remainder is 0. If our remainder is 0, ఎప్పుడైతే రిమైండర్ 0 వస్తుందో our B, this B value is our HCF. If remainder is 0, then B is equal to HCF. Okay, look at remainder is 0 means B is 90. B is 90 means HCF is equal to 90. I hope it is clear. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, is the audio video it is clear? I hope it is clear. Okay, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, try to do comment. If you have any doubt, you can also ask. Again, is there any doubt in this question? Hello everyone, welcome to Math Champion Academy. I hope screen is also clearly visible. Okay, do like, share with your friends and family who is required. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్లో ఎవరైనా 10th క్లాస్ ఉంటే, ఎవరైనా మ్యాథ్స్ ప్రాబ్లం నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటే వాళ్ళకు సెండ్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ look at find the HCF 196 and 38220. Here, this problem. Exercise second problem. Here we have to write Euclid formula. A is equal to, what is the Euclid formula? A is equal to B cube plus R. 0, R is less than or equal to 0 less than B. Okay. Again, here A is equal to, you have to take 30,220. B is equal to, you have to take 196. Okay. If you are multiplying 196 into 195, you will get 38,220. So here it is a very simple. We have to know that. Okay. So 38,220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. ఎప్పుడైతే రిమైండర్ 0 ఉంటుందో, whenever you are getting remainder is 0, remainder means it is a remainder. Remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0 means our HCF is B. If the remainder is 0, our HCF is B. Okay. Now look at, in this case, A is equal here, B is equal there, and Q. Here remainder is 0. Then what is the B value? B is equal to 196. B is equal to 196 means HCF is 196. Okay. It is clear? If you multiply 196 into 195, పెద్దగా కనిపిస్తుంది, it is a bigger number. Okay. If you look at it is very easy. If you multiply, you get 38,220. Okay. Try to solve the problem. Okay. I hope you are understanding. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay. Now look at next. Here, second problem. Look at here. Division, in case if you are not able to write here division, you can also do continuous division method. Continuous division method. ఇది కూడా HCF find చేయడానికి, to find HCF. But specially mentioned Euclid means you have to use this format only. Okay, it is a Euclid format. Okay, Euclid format ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే డివిజన్ చేయడానికి. Where we are using Euclid format? To find HCF. To find HCF. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now look at continuous division method. First problem తీసుకున్నాం. If you are doing 900 and 270, continuous division method ఏముంటుంది? 270, 900 ని 270 తో డివిజన్ చేయాలి. 270 into 3 times. If you are multiplying 270 into 3 times, 3 into 0, 0, 3 7s are 21, 2 carry over, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So you are getting 810. 270 into 3, it is 810. Same procedure, but this is continuous division method. What you are getting here, it is a 90. Again, it is not possible division here. So again this 270 you have to bring here. Again 270. We already know 9 3s are 27. So 90 into 3, you will get 270. Okay, 270 minus 270. How much? It is 0. If the remainder is 0, then HCF is this value. This divisor is HCF. Then HCF is 90. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, do like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Now look at here. Use division. Second question. Look at the second question. Use division algorithm to show any positive odd integer in format 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Division algorithm use చేసి మనం 6q 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. ఇది ఆడ్ అని చూపెట్టాలి. ఆడ్. Okay. What is the question? Euclid algorithm A is equal BQ plus R. 0. R is greater than or equal to 0 less than B. The R అనేది ఈ మధ్యలోనే ఉండాలి కండిషన్. 0 ఉండొచ్చు, పాసిబుల్ వాల్యూస్ 0 to less than B value. Okay. If you take this format here, 6q plus 1. Here, what is the B value? A is equal to 6q plus B. What is the B value? B is equal to 6. As per condition, how many possibilities are there? 0. R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, these are the possibilities. Again, we can write this one. If R is equal to 0, if R is equal to 0, what you can write? A is equal to BQ plus R. In this format, A is equal to B is 6, Q plus 0. We already know 6Q is 6Q net 3Q and rayachu. If you multiply any number with 2, what you are getting? It is a even. It is a even number. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక నెంబర్ ని మనం 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మనకు వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ ఏముంటది? ఈవెన్ ఉంటది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఆడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈవెన్. ఇఫ్ r equal to 1, what you can write here? 6q plus 1. So look at here. From this we can write 2 into 3q plus 1. This complete we can write 6q plus 1, 6q plus 1. If it is a even ke 1. If you are adding 1, you will get odd. So it is 6q plus 1 is a odd number. I hope you understand. Do like, share and subscribe. Now look at again. If r is equal to 2, what you can write? 6q plus 2. Now here 2 common తీసుకుంటే 3q plus 1 we can write. If you multiply this complete number, with 2, what you will get? You will get even. So it is an even. So 6q plus 2, it is even. Again, if r is equal to 3, మనకు 5 వరకు r is equal to 5 వరకు పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది కదా. సో r is equal to 3, 6q plus 3. No, you can take from this 2 into 3q plus 3. If you multiply this even number, if you multiply this number with 2, you will get even plus odd, even plus odd. What you will get? Odd number. For example, 2 plus 3, it is a 5, it is an odd number. 4 plus 7, you will get 11. It is odd. Okay. Result of even plus odd, it is always odd only. Understand? So if you multiply this complete, this is the complete even. Even plus odd, you will get odd. We can say by this 6 cube plus 3, it is odd. Okay. Now look at, if you take r is equal to 4, if you take r is equal to 4, if you take r is equal to 4, what you can write? 6 cube plus 4. Euclid form, a is equal to bq plus r. Here r is 4. We can write it from this. If you take common, 2 common, 3q plus 2. We, if you multiply the any number with even 2 is a even, you will get even. So it is a even. Okay. Now look at, if r is equal, if r is equal to 5, we can write 6 plus 5. 6 cube plus 5. 6 cube దీని ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు? A is equal to 2 into 3q plus 5. Now if you multiply this number with 2, you will get even. Even plus odd. Even plus odd. The result is odd. Then we can say A is equal to 6 cube plus 5 is odd. So hence we can say 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are the odd integer. It is a odd integer. Okay. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Okay. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. This is one of the most important questions from the board exam point of view. Okay. First fundamental theorem here. Show that every positive even integer is a form of 2q. Every positive even integer ని మనం ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు? This 2q అనే ఫార్మాట్ లో రాయొచ్చు. Okay. Every positive odd integer in the form of odd, it is even a even integer, you can write 2 into q. Here q is any integer. Here look at, q is some integer. Q is some integer. It may be positive, negative, or any number. Okay. For example, if you look at here, q you take -1, -2, -3, 0, 4, 1, 2, any number. If you substitute this number 2 into any odd number also, you will get even. 2 into -1, it is a -2, even. 2 into -2, it is -4, it is even. 2 into -3, it is -6, even. 2 into 0, 0 is also a even number only. If 2 into 4, if you take 4, 2 4s are 8, even number, result is even. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2, it is even, result is even. అంటే ఏదైనా నంబర్ ని ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ విత్ 2, q is any integer. If you are multiplying any integer, some integer, if you are multiplying with 2, the result is always even. Okay. In the same way, 2q plus 1, we already know 2q means it is a even odd. Even plus odd, it is a result is always odd. Simple. Understanding is very very important here. Okay. I hope you understand me. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay. Now look at next. Euclid algorithm and division algorithm are closely interlinked that people often call farmer as a division algorithm. Euclid algorithm ne division algorithm అని కూడా అంటారు. Okay. Why we are using, although division algorithm is stated only positive integer, it can extended for all integer b not equal to 0. However, the division algorithm has several applications related to finding properties of numbers. We give some example of this here. Why we are using division algorithm, Euclid algorithm, to find HCF. Mainly we are focusing here to find HCF. Here the step by step process is also there. Okay, Euclid algorithm procedure. It is a step by step procedure. Now look at here. First step, apply Euclid division lemma to C and D. So we find the unique pair of whole number. C is equal DQ is plus R. Here C is equal DQ plus R. What is the condition for R? R should be greater than or equal to 0, less than D. Okay. D కంటే చిన్న ఉండాలి, ఈక్వల్ టు ఉండదు, D కంటే చిన్నది అండ్ 0 కంటే పెద్దది ఆర్ 0. You can take from 0 also. Okay. For example, 25 is equal to 4 plus R is there. What is the R possible value? R 0 less than or equal to R is less than and less than 4 here. B is nothing. D is nothing but D is 4. And the all possible values. All possible values. All possible values. R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Less than 4 we have to take. We should not take the 4. We should take less than 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do like, share, and subscribe. Is there any doubt in Euclid algorithm? Okay. Here look at example problems also there. Find the HCF 50 and 70 using division algorithm. Look at 70 we can write. We have to write first take A is equal to 70, B is equal to 50, A is equal to 70, B is equal to 50. Then 70 is equal to 50 into 1 plus 20. 50 into 1 is 50, 50 plus 20 is 70. Okay, next same step you have to repeat. Now this one you have to take 50, you have to take A, and 20 you have to take as a B. 20 into 2 plus 10. 22 is a 40, 40 plus 10. You'll get 50. Again, same you have to repeat again. 20 you have to take as a 20 is equal to 10 you have to write here. 10 into 2 plus 0. If the remainder is 0, if remainder is 0, then B is equal to your HCF. Here, what is the HCF B? That is a 10. B is equal to 10. Then HCF 50 and 50 and 70. HCF is 10. Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Like చేయండి. Now next, it is a division algorithm. Okay, first theorem is division algorithm only. Okay, next fundamental theorem. Theorem 2 ఏముందంటే every composite number can be, look at it is, I hope it is clearly visible. Every composite number can be, here look at, every composite number, every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factorization. ఓకే, సింపుల్ థీరం ఏం లేదు, ఏదైనా కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్, కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్ ని మనం ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ గా రాయొచ్చు. We can do. What is the meaning by composite number? Composite means having more than two factors. If only two factors is there, only two factors, one and itself, we call that as a prime number. That is a prime number. Okay, so one is important point. One is neither prime nor composite. Why? ఎందుకు వన్ అనేది ప్రైమ్ కాదు, కాంపోజిట్ కాదు. If you look at one is the only one factor. Only one factor is there. Only one factor. One. Only one is factor itself. సో మనకు ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కావాలంటే వన్ అండ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఉండాలి, టూ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కావాలి మినిమం. కాంపోజిట్ కి మోర్ దాన్ టూ, త్రీ ఉంటే అది కాంపోజిట్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ number having three factors, for example, look at two, how many factors are there? One and itself, only two factors, so it is a prime. If you look at three, how many factors are there? One, three, only two factors, so it is a prime. If you look at four, what are the factors are there? Look at here, 1 comma 2 4, three factors, so it is a composite number. It is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. How many factors are there? 1, 2, 4. It is a composite number. Okay, now look at 5. How many factors are there? 1 comma 5 only 2. It is a prime. So understand what is a prime and what is a composite. Here 2 is the only number which is even prime number. 2 is the only number which is even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. It is a very important. Here 1 is neither prime nor composite. Look at ఇది కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, మనకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి, ఐడియా ఉండాలి. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, అంటే 1 అనేది ప్రైమ్ నంబర్ కాదు, కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్ కాదు. Now look at next, 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. ఒకటే ఈవెన్ నంబర్, 2 is even number and it is only the prime number. Remaining all are the composite number. Now look at composite number. For example, if you are taking 10 is a composite number. Theorem 2 ఏం చెప్తుందంటే ఈ 10 ని మనము ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ గా రాయొచ్చు. We can write as a prime factorization. 10 we can write 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So it is a prime. 2 is a prime, 5 is a prime. So we can write prime factorization. Every composite number we can write in the form of prime factorization. Order ఎట్లనే ఉండని. If you write 2 into 5 or 5 into 2, nothing will happen. Both are same. Both are same. Order ఎట్లైనా ఉండొచ్చు. Order, whatever may be the order. For if you are taking 20, what is the order here? 2 2s are 4, 4 again 5. Here 20 we can write 2 to the 4, 4 to the 4 5 are 20. So 2 into 2 into 5, it is a prime. 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. So every composite number you can express as a prime factorization. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Do like, share and subscribe. Okay, next look at every composite number can be expressed as product of prime and factorization is unique. ఇది అనేది యూనిక్. ఓకే, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆర్డర్. ఆర్డర్ ఎట్లా వచ్చు, దీనికంటే వేరే ఇంకా వేరే ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ గా మనం రాయలేము. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ రైట్ 5 into 2 into 2 ఆర్ 2 into 5 into 2. ఆర్డర్ ఏదన్నా ఉండని, ఇదే యూనిక్. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ దిస్ నంబర్ ఓన్లీ రిపీట్. ఓకే, దీనికంటే వేరే నంబర్ మనం రాయలేము. ఓకే, కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్ ని మనం ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ గా రాయొచ్చు. ఎవ్రీ కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్. ఇదే థీరం 2. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? ఐ హోప్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. Do like, share and subscribe. For example, look at 27,300 is given. We can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 13. Okay, so it is a 2 3 5 7 13. These are all are the prime numbers. So these are expressing as a prime factorization. 2 ni 2 square రాయొచ్చు, 3 power 1 5 square 7 13. Okay, understand? Next, now look at rational numbers. Rational numbers. What is the rational number? అసలు రేషనల్ నంబర్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఎనీ నంబర్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఇన్ p by q format. Famous definition: p by q format or a by b format, and b denominator should not equal to 0. Here q is a denominator, q should not be equal to 0. If you are expressing any number in p by q form, and q should not equal to 0, then that is we call as a rational number. Example, 3 by 5, it is a rational number. 6 by 15, it is a rational number. 1 by 2, it is a rational number. Minus 1 by 2. Here p and q are the integer. P and q are any integer. Okay, any integer. P and q are the integers. Understand? So it may be positive, it may be negative. 0 is there. 0 by 1 is there. It is also a rational number. 0 is a rational number. 1, it is a even and it is a rational number. 1 is a natural number. It is a rational number. All natural numbers, all natural whole number and integers are rational numbers. Uh, all natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. But all rational numbers are not natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. And a natural number 1, 2, 3. If you are taking 1, 2, 3, these all are the natural numbers. These all are rational numbers. Whole numbers. If you are taking whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the rational numbers only. Denominator nothing is there means you have to take 1, that is. Denominator la ఏం లేదు అంటే అది 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 0 by 1, 2 by 1, 4 by 1. Okay, these all are the rational number. If you are writing integer -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. These all are also integers, rational number. Okay, but look at 1 by 2. It is not a natural number. It is not belongs to natural number. It is not belongs to 1 by 2 to whole number. 1 by 2 not belong to integer. So any natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, we can say rational number. But all rational numbers are not natural number. All rational numbers not integers. All rational numbers are not whole numbers. Okay. Now look at one more. Express here. Look at exercise 1.2. Express each of the following number as a product of prime factors. 140 product of prime factors రాయాలి. Look at 140. First, we should know prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Likewise. Okay, these are prime numbers. First మనం 2 తీసుకోవాలి. If it is divisible by 2, then go with the 2. If it is not divisible, then go next prime number. Here 140 is divisible by 2, then go with the 2. 2 into 70. Again 70 is divisible by 2, again go with the 2 table, 2 into 35. Now look at 35, it's not divisible by 2 and 3. Then you have to go next to prime number, that is a 5. 35 అనేది 2 and 3 తో divisible కాదు. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ ఏది ఉంది 5. సో వీ హావ్ టు గో విత్ ద 5. 7 in 7 table where you are getting 35, 7. In 5 table, where you are getting 7. So 7, 5 7 are 31. Again 7, next prime number 7. So 140 you can write 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This one you can also write 2. How many times repeating? 2 times. So 2 square into 5 into 7. This is a 140. Now look at again. What is the number is given? 156. 156. Look at here. I hope screen is clearly visible. Now look at 156, right, left side. Again go with the 2 table. 156 is divisible by 2. Then 2 7 the 14. 1 is left over. 2 8 the 16. Again go with the next 2 table. 2 3 the 6. 2 9 the. Again this 39 is divisible by 3. So 3 1 the 3 3 the. Again 13 only. 13 is divisible by 13 is a prime number we already know. So 13 only. 13. So 156 you can also write 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. If you multiply all this, you will get 156. 13 3 are 39. 39 2 are 6, 78. 78 2 are 156. Okay. Now look at. So this is there. Again, what is the next number? You can also do this one. 5000. Look at third problem, fourth problem here. 5005. You have to write in prime factorization. Look at 5005. Go with the, it is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. Then you have to go with the 5 table. 5 1 0 1. Now, is there any possibilities? Is there? Look at 2 table division కాదు 3 table. No. 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, likewise. If it is not divisible, okay. If it is not divisible, what do you have to write? You have to write once check in 11 table. What we are getting in the 11 table? Again next 1001. They check with the 7 table. 7 1 the 7 here 30. 7 4 the 28. Again 2. 7 3 the 21. So 7 into 143. 7 8. Again which table? 11 table. 11 1 the 11. 11 3 the again 13. So look at 5005. We can also write 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. We have to check whether which number it is divisible. Okay. You have to check first with the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Then you are getting, then this is there. You can write 5005 as a prime factorization likewise. 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. No. Look at here third problem. Check whether 6 power n can be end with the digit 0 for any natural number. Look at any natural number. Numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Natural number. 6 power n asking is whether 6 power n అనేది 0 తో end అవుతుందా లేదా. End digit. End digit means unit place should be 0. 0 వస్తుందా లేదా చెక్ చేయమంటుంది. If you are taking n is equal to, if n is equal to 1, 6 power 1 is 6. If n is equal to 6 square is 36. If n is equal to 3, 6 cube is 216. If n is equal to 4, 6 power 4 is equal to 260 into 6. 6 6 is 36. Unit digit you are getting 6. So unit digit every time whenever you are doing unit digit you are getting 6 only. So it is not possible. So no, you can write no. Unit digit 0 is not possible for any natural number. Because when you are doing with natural number, you are getting unit digit is always 6 only. 6. So 0 అనేది end digit లో రాదు. Simple. Now look at here. One more problem. We'll look here. Do like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Now look at fourth problem. What is given fourth problem? Explain 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is composite number. First question, look at what is given. Right question, 7 into 11 into 13 into plus here plus. This is a plus 13. 7 into 11 into 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Okay, if you simplify this one, how can you write? From this you can take 13 is common, so 7 into 11 plus 1. If you take from here, from this 13 is common, what is left? 7 into 11. From here 13 is common, what is left? 1. So 13 into 77 plus 1. 13 into 78. 13 into 78. How many factors are there? It is a more than 2 factors. So it is a composite number. Understand? Next, one more word is given. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. You have to check whether this is a composite number or not. If you take 5 is outside from this complete and this 5, what is left? 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Look at multiply simple terms. 2 4 3 are 6 6 4 are 24 24 24 7 6 are 42 42. Just multiply here. Multiplication చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా సింపుల్ ట్రిక్ యూజ్ చేయండి. 4 2s are 8, cross multiply 4 4s are 16 plus 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. How much you are getting? 8 4 20. You are getting your 20, this 20 to carry over 10 plus 1. So you are getting 5 into 1009. Having more factors mean it is a composite number. Okay. Hello everyone. Do like, share, and subscribe. Okay. This one understand? Fourth one. Fifth one, look at what is given. Fifth one. How will you show that 7 into 11 7 into 11 into 2 plus 7 into 11 into 5 is composite number. If you look at here, 17 into 11 into 2, between it is a plus symbol, 17 into 11 into 5. You have to show it is a composite number. If you take from this 17, 11 is outside. 17 into 11, what is the left here? It is a 2. Here, what is the left here? It is a 5. We can write this one. So this one, 17 into 11 into 2 plus 5, it is a 7. How many factors are there? This is a factors are there for a number. So it is a composite number. For a number, 17 is a factor, 11 is a factor, 7 is a factor. More than 3 factors are there, then it is a composite number. 7, 11, 17, 11 and 7 are the factors of a number. So this is a composite number. Look at first question here, 0.375. You have to write in P by Q form. P by Q form. Okay, P by Q form. Here, after decimal, how many zeros are there? How many digits are there? 3. So 375 by 1000. It is very, very simple. Look at 0.375. The meaning is 0.75 by 1 is zero. Denominator multiply with the 1000, numerator multiply with the 1000. So you will get 375 by 1000. Look at 1.04 is the P by Q form. Take by 1, just multiply here with the 100, here also 100. So you will get 104 by 100. Now look at third problem here. What is given? 0.0875. Decimal. After decimal, 4 digits are there. Take by 1. 4 digit means how many you have to multiply? 10,000 you have to multiply. So numerator and denominator you have to multiply with 10,000. Then it will become 375 by 10,000. Now look at fourth problem. What is given? 12.5. 12.5. 12.5 divided by 1. Here after decimal, how many digits is there? Only 1. So you have to multiply with the 10. Here also multiply 10. If you are multiplying decimal, you are getting 125 by 10. Okay. These are terminating. These are terminating decimal numbers. These are terminating. For example, non-terminating repeating is there. In rational number, లో టూ టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ ఇస్ టర్మినేటింగ్. రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ లో టూ టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ ఇస్ ద టర్మినేటింగ్, సెకండ్ ఇస్ ద నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్. ఓకే, ఫర్ టర్మినేటింగ్ అంటే 0.12, 0.178, ఓకే, ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఉంది దీనికి నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్ రిపీటింగ్ 0.111 1 only the repeating. This one we can write 0.1 bar. For example, 0.9898 is there. 98. 98 only repeating. This one you can also write 0.98 bar. Bar అనేది two digit పైన రావాలి. అప్పుడు the meaning is 998 are repeating continuously. This is a non-terminating repeating number. And irrational number la irrational number definition is non-terminating numbers are any number which are not able to write in p by q form. Number which are not able to show in p by q form. ఏ నంబర్ అయితే p by q ఫామ్ లో రాయలేమో ఆ నంబర్ ని irrational numbers అంటాము. రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ లో p by q form you can write and q should not be equal to 0. You can write in p by q form, but q should not be equal to 0. Irrational number you cannot write, you cannot show any number in p by q form. దీన్నే నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్ నంబర్స్ అని కూడా అంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 0.48167831414116 and so on is there. Any number, any specific number is not repeating and there is no ending. There is no specific ending, particular ending అనేది లేదు. It is continuous. అంటే random గా ఏదో ఒక నంబర్ వచ్చేస్తుంటది. దాన్నే రేషనల్ నంబర్ అంటారు. Pi is a rational number. Pi is a irrational number. Pi is a irrational number. Okay. Pi is a irrational number. No, look at. Understand? For example, convert a rational number into x is equal to 0.989898 is there. It is given. Write in p by q form. దీన్ని p by q form లో రాయాలనుకో ఏం రాస్తావు? 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. దిస్ 2 మార్క్స్ 2 మార్క్స్ ఇచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, మనకి సింపుల్ గా ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి, డిజిట్ ఓన్లీ రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో దెన్ యూ హావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై both side with 100. 100 x is equal to 98.9898 and so on. Then x is equal to 0.9898 and so on. By do minus here. It is 99 x is equal to 98. This cancel all. Again look at here. X how will write? 98 by 99. For example, x is equal to 125.438438438 is there. Here how many digits are repeating? 3 digits. You can write x is equal to 125.438 bar 43 bar. Then 3 digit పైన bar ఉంది కాబట్టి you have to multiply both sides with the 100,000. X is equal to 125.438.438 438. 1000 తో multiply 3 digit ఇట్ సైడ్ జరుగుతుంది కదా. సో ఆఫ్టర్ 3 digit here, after 6 digit your decimal will be there. So x is equal to how much? 125.48438. Do minus here. It is 999. X is equal to here 8 minus, it is completely 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. It is 5 to 1. X is equal to 125,313 by 999. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. Do like, share, and subscribe. Non-terminating recurring numbers. Non-terminating recurring decimal in rational numbers. Look at 1 by 7. 1 by 7 here. If you are doing this number again, repeat after this one. After one again it will repeat. Look at 142,857. Again 142,857. So it is a non-terminating recurring decimal in rational number. దీన్ని మనం p by q ఫామ్ లో కూడా రాయొచ్చు. దీన్ని 1 by 7, that is 1 by 7. మరి ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ని p by q లో